Okay, in this video, we're going to determine how many phone numbers are possible in Nigeria, right? And we're going to use the typical structure of a Nigerian's phone number. Good. Okay, so the first digit is always a 0. Okay, the next digit can either be 7, 8, or 9. So there are 3 possible digits there. Then the third digit is either 0 or 1, like you hear 081, okay, or 080. In that case, there are only 2 possible digits here. Okay. Now, what happens to the fourth digit? Well, for the fourth digit, we can choose either 0, 1, 2, 3, or up to 9. That is to say, there are 10 possible digits here. Similarly, for the fifth and to the 11th digit, there are 10 possible digits for each of these. Good. Okay, so we're going to use that fact, and at the same time, we're going to use what we call the multiplication principle. It helps us to know how many ways different things can be done together. So, for example, if there are p number of ways of doing one thing, and then q number of ways of doing another thing, then there are p times q number of ways of doing both things. Good. So in that case, since there are 3 possible digits here, I'm going to put down 3 here for the second digit. Then there are 2 possible digits, like I said, 0 or 1. So there are 2 possible digits here. I'm going to say for the for the third digit in the phone number. In that case, we're just going to use the multiplication principle and multiply those 2 numbers together. Okay, so from the fourth digit to the 11th digit, what happens? Well, like I said, there are 10 possible digits here from 0 to 9, right? So the digit is going to be 10. But that will be the same thing for these other numbers. That means you're going to have to multiply 10, 10, 10, 10. So you're going to multiply 10 by itself 8 times. That's the same thing as saying 10 raised to the power of 8. Then we're going to multiply that with the 2 here. Okay, so this right here is for each of these. Good. Okay, so how many is this? Well, 10 raised to the power of 8 is 100 million. So you multiply 100 million by 6, that will be 600 million. Okay, and you may wonder, well, do we have up to 600 million phone numbers in Nigeria? Well, probably. Probably because some Nigerians have more than one phone number, right? And by the way, if every Nigerian is to have only one phone number, okay, do we have up to 600 million Nigerians? And if we don't, when will this number be reached by Nigeria's population size? Well, maybe it's something you have to think about, or maybe I'm going to have to do in the next video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends and follow my channel for more.